If you're seeing Steam error 502, don't panic. In most cases, this is a bad gateway error, which usually means the problem is on Steam's side, not yours. It often happens when Steam servers are overloaded, especially during big sales, game launches, or times of heavy traffic. The good news is that most 502 errors clear up on their own within a few hours. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, the simplest fix is to wait and try again. Since this is usually a server-side issue, give it a little time and then reload the page. Sometimes all you need to do is refresh the Steam store page with F5 or close and reopen the Steam client. If the error is temporary, that alone may bring everything back. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is a hard refresh. Refresh the store page a few times, then restart Steam completely. Close the app, make sure it's fully shut down, and open it again. This can clear out a stuck session and reconnect you to a working server. Another helpful step is clearing the Steam download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and look for Clear Download Cache. Click it and confirm. Steam will sign you back in afterward, but this can fix connection glitches and stale data that sometimes contribute to loading errors. If you want, you can also clear the cache manually. On Windows, open File Explorer and go to the Steam cache folder in your local app data area. Removing temporary cache files can sometimes help reset broken network data and give Steam a fresh start. Next, try changing your download region. In Steam settings, go to Downloads, then find Download region. Select a different nearby region and test the store again. If one server cluster is overloaded, switching regions can help you route around the problem and connect to a less busy location. Another smart workaround is to switch platforms. If the Steam desktop app is showing error 502, try opening Steam in your web browser instead. Sometimes the browser version loads properly even when the desktop client is having trouble. That can help you confirm whether the issue is local or just affecting the app. In most cases, Steam error 502 is not something you need to fix permanently on your computer. It's usually just a temporary server issue, and waiting is often the best solution. But if you combine these steps, like refreshing, clearing cache, changing region, and testing another platform, you'll have the best chance of getting back in faster. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and hopefully your Steam store is back up and running soon.